A new partnership is set to change how decentralized finance connects with traditional banking. Earn and Zetarium are teaming up to integrate open infrastructure and staking, aiming for more scalable and transparent DeFi systems. Zetarium's $Z token will drive governance and rewards, making decentralized tools more accessible and community-driven. A major data breach has hit Korean Air, with 30,000 employee records leaked after hackers targeted a third-party catering partner. The CL0P gang exploited a vulnerability in KC&D Services' Oracle ERP system, stealing sensitive staff data but not customer information. Korean Air has cut digital ties with the vendor and is urging employees to watch for scams. Galaxy Digital says Bitcoin's price in 2026 is too volatile to predict, but their $250,000 target for 2027 remains unchanged. Recently, Galaxy Digital moved $39 million in Bitcoin to exchanges, raising concerns about potential sell pressure and short-term volatility. Institutional adoption and ETF flows continue to shape Bitcoin's long-term outlook, despite macro and policy risks. Imagine a world where you can prove you're not on a blocklist without revealing your identity. ShadowBlock, developed by researchers at Beijing Institute of Technology, uses pseudo-random functions and cryptographic accumulators to let users anonymously prove non-membership, enabling efficient dynamic updates and cross-chain identity management. This innovation boosts online privacy and scalability, setting a new standard for blockchain security. Could Bitcoin really plunge to $10,000 as competition heats up in the crypto world? Bloomberg strategist Mike McGlone predicts a 90% drop by 2026, citing millions of digital asset rivals and recent ETF outflows. Meanwhile, Bitcoin trades near $87,000, 30% below its all-time high, as market sentiment remains bearish and altcoins also slide. A sudden $2 billion stablecoin mint by Tether and Circle could signal a major liquidity wave in crypto markets. In just 12 hours, Tether minted $1 billion USDT on Tron and Circle, minted $1 billion USDC on Solana, tracked by on-chain data. This influx may boost trading volumes and impact Bitcoin and Ethereum prices as traders react to the fresh capital injection. Crypto derivatives activity has exploded, with decentralized exchange perpetual futures volumes topping $1.2 trillion monthly by the end of 2025. Hyperliquid leads this growth, as traders leverage these instruments for exposure amid stagnant spot markets. Equity perpetuals are now bridging DeFi with traditional finance, offering 24/7 access and capital efficiency for global retail investors. Ethereum is gearing up for a major leap in 2026, as the Fusaka upgrade and Layer 2 expansion boosts scalability and validator efficiency. Lower transaction fees and proof-based validation are paving the way for real-world applications, while institutional interest and staking trends point to a robust future for ETH. A single governance loophole let hackers drain $3.9 million from Unleashed protocol, shaking trust in DeFi security. Attackers exploited a multi-sig vulnerability, pushed an unauthorized contract upgrade, and funneled assets like WIP, USDC, and WETH through Tornado Cash. The protocol paused all operations and urged users to avoid interaction as investigations continue. Japan is set to overhaul its crypto tax regime, dropping rates from up to 55% down to a flat 20% for specified assets starting in 2026. Only cryptocurrencies listed on registered exchanges, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, will qualify, while NFTs and staking income remain excluded. Investors can also carry forward losses for 3 years, aligning crypto with stock taxation and signaling Japan's push for regulated Web3 growth. Uniswap's protocol fee switch is now live, but early on-chain data is raising tough questions about UNI's long-term value. Initial analysis shows daily protocol fees may reach only $30,000, far below the $125 million in proposed UNI incentives. This direct link between fee revenue and token supply has analysts debating whether the burn mechanism can truly support UNI's value. Solana's SNS token launch is sparking a wave of .sol domain registrations and reshaping decentralized identity. The SNS token generation event and LFG campaign are driving community engagement, boosting trading volume, and attracting institutional interest. Traders are watching SNS USDT and SOL BTC pairs as rising activity signals new opportunities in Solana's ecosystem.